Lollywood freestyle. This style goes down shooby dooby dooby. Rolling up a fat doobie cuz Risha Harlot. Singing Tesma's heart and soul forevermore. Now here we are. Having fun with Pakistan. Cause home in mama's arms, that's where I belong to the very end. Peace and relaxability, comfort I never felt before now. Oh my goodness gracious, what's that? That's inner peace, baby. Because yes indeed, her acting, dancing, singing capabilities I've never seen before. And you know it's Lollywood freestyle, here we go. Because once Marisha heart that starts singing, bang, bang, that it touches my soul and my heart goes with the beat. Next thing you know, we got the best TV show that you cannot compete. So yes indeed, I love Marisha heart. Let me unconditionally save my heart and soul. And yes indeed, we are the sons of liberty, truth, North original family. This is part 6 because you know I love every inch of Marisha heart. That yes indeed, hold that skin like cocoa butter. 5'8", size 9 feet. Yes indeed, now I close my eyes and now home in mama's arms. You such a great surprise that I never known before. Could feel this good before. So thank you, Marisha Hart. Let my hero, my role model, inspiration. Yes indeed, my life coach. Help me pick up the pieces when I'm broken on the floor. Forever her faithful warrior, babe. Cause yes indeed, loving every inch of Marisha Harlot inspires me every day to reach those creative heights I've never known before. So shooby dooby dooby, smoke up fat dude Pakistan, loving your queen, sweetest heart and the kindness of Mama Sita.